Yeah, I can fly.
Perched atop a secluded, forested hill in Tuxedo Park, New York, stands the Alfred Loomis Mansion, also known as the Tower House. At first glance, this Tudor-style Gilded Age estate feels timeless, overlooking serene lakes, rolling mountains, and the private village below, a setting often compared to Italy's Lake Como. But behind its stone walls lies a secret few people know. This quiet mansion became the birthplace of ideas that changed the course of World War II, helped shape the Manhattan Project, and arguably saved the world. And yet, the very discoveries made here still echo today, powerful enough to protect humanity or destroy it, depending on what we choose to do next. As the camera glides closer, it's hard to imagine that this peaceful retreat was once one of the most secretive places on Earth. In the 1930s and 40s, this mansion belonged to Alfred Lee Loomis, a wealthy financier, brilliant physicist, and one of the most influential scientists you've probably never heard of. Loomis transformed this estate into a private research hub unlike anything else in the world. Here, far from universities, governments, and prying eyes, some of the greatest scientific minds of the 20th century gathered to exchange ideas that would redefine modern warfare and modern life. Among the guests who walked these grounds was Albert Einstein himself. Alongside Einstein were pioneers like Enrico Fermi, Niels Bohr, Ernest Lawrence, and other architects of atomic science, many of whom would later play pivotal roles in the Manhattan Project. At a time when the world teetered on the brink of collapse, conversations inside this house helped push science forward at an unprecedented pace. One of the most critical breakthroughs developed here focused on radar technology, a system that allowed Allied forces to detect enemy aircraft long before they were visible. Historians widely credit this work with helping Britain survive the Blitz and shifting the balance of World War II. But radar was only the beginning. The theories refined within these walls laid groundwork for nuclear research, work that would eventually culminate in the atomic bomb. And that is the paradox of the Alfred Loomis Mansion, a place of beauty, a sanctuary of intellect, and a birthplace of technologies capable of both saving millions of lives and ending them. As the drone rises above the tower house, you're looking at more than a historic mansion. You're seeing a crossroads in human history, a reminder that the most powerful forces shaping our world don't always emerge from battlefields or government buildings, but from the quiet rooms, brilliant minds, and decisions made behind closed doors. Today, the Alfred Loomis Mansion remains largely hidden from public view, still standing watch over Tuxedo Park, its secrets carried by the wind through these trees. And as science continues to advance faster than ever before, the questions born here feel more relevant than ever. Will our discoveries protect humanity, or test our ability to survive ourselves. If you enjoyed this cinematic drone journey into one of America's most mysterious estates, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. It helps the channel more than you know. And let me know in the comments, which hidden place with a secret history should we explore next?